Test your English. Can you get 2020? Question 1. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, humorous. B, humorous. C, humorous. D, humorous. Answer: A, humorous. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, immediately. B, immediately. C, immediately. D, immediately. Answer: A, immediately. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, liaison. B, liaison. C, liaison. D, liaison. Answer: A, liaison. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, mischievous. B, mischievous. C, mischievous. D, mischievous. Answer: A, mischievous. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, occasion. B, occasion. C, occasion. D, occasion. Answer: A, occasion. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, parallel. B, parallel. C, parallel. D, parallel. Answer: A, parallel. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, questionnaire. B, questionnaire. C, questionnaire. D, questionnaire. Answer: A, questionnaire. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, rhythm. B, rhythm. C, rhythm. D, rhythm. Answer: A, rhythm. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, schedule. B, schedule. C, schedule. D, schedule. Answer: C, schedule. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, sincerely. B, sincerely. C, sincerely. D, sincerely. Answer: D, sincerely. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, thorough. B, thorough. C, thorough. D, thorough. Answer: A, thorough. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, unnecessary. B, unnecessary. C, unnecessary. D, unnecessary. Answer: B, unnecessary. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, vacuum. B, vacuum. C, vacuum. D, vacuum. Answer: C, vacuum. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, weird. B, weird. C, weird. D, weird. Answer: A, weird. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, privilege. B, privilege. C, privilege. D, privilege. Answer: B, privilege. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, cemetery. B, cemetery. C, cemetery. D, cemetery. Answer: A, cemetery. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, discipline. B, discipline. C, discipline. D, discipline. Answer: A, discipline. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, fluorescent. B, fluorescent. C, fluorescent. D, fluorescent.
Answer: D, fluorescent.
Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, grateful. B, grateful. C, grateful. D, grateful. Answer: C, grateful. Next question. Which word is spelled correctly? Option A, laboratory. B, laboratory. C, laboratory. D, laboratory. Answer: A, laboratory. Ending. How many did you get out of 20? Comment your score below. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Guringo for more English quizzes.